Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for June 12th, 2024. You're looking at a daily 15-minute and a 5-minute chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So wild west, we have all kinds of things that were happening this morning after hours, actually before market opened up, 5:30. Price goes from 53.89 all the way to 54.30 and beyond. And then for the rest of the afternoon, we're kind of just, coming back to 50-period moving average. Now, let's talk about this important number right here. So the zone, actually, I drew the zone a couple of weeks back, and I said, hey, if the next time around we are going to capture this, the signal line right here on a daily chart, then we're likely to take out this all-time high, which was 53.68. And then this number becomes magnet 54.20, 54.25. Market gave us a lot more than that, and then here we are. And so what does this mean in terms of what this are we likely to go back up to the upside? What's in a store for us? So we still have this 5500 and 5540 zone to contend with. And for all practical purposes, if you look at the weekly chart and a daily chart, the weekly is still bullish, the monthly is still bullish, but there is a caution right here. There is a divergence that's forming right here. And so what this means, not all the divergences, of course, play out. But what we have to keep an eye on is a daily chart should not actually recapture and close below this white signal line and a power line. And so we're still far away from it. So this means that we're still safe, but be careful initiating any long position to the upside, especially at these all-time highs, because as you can see, market can actually violently come back 30, 40, 50 points in a matter of minutes and then take you out of the position. So be really careful. For all practical purposes, we're still looking at this market to be bullish to the upside until we have a signed confirmed signal that tells us otherwise. And that signal is going to be on a daily chart. If the price actually, so let's just say that this actually starts to come up, if we start to consolidate here, and if the price closes below this, the white signal line right here, then we're likely to go and see what happened. Something like this is what I'm looking for. This would mean now the reversal is in effect, just like what we had here before. Market closed below the power line, I'm sorry, signal line, came to the power line, bounced back up, and then it sold off. We're still far away from all of these. So for now, we just have to be careful. If the signal is presenting to the upside, of course, we're going to take it. But we have to be very cautious. We have to keep a tight stop on our positions and make sure that we don't give up our profits. Upper target, like I said, 55.40 is in play now. So we'll see how the 15-minute and a 4-hour chart actually are acting first thing in the morning, and then we'll make our decision based on what the chart is telling us. We'll have a game plan for tomorrow morning, and then we'll go from there. So I hope this helps. Stay tuned, stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.